Guys, this is Leah Wenger. I am, of course, one of the consultants on Team BK, and I was asked to come on here and talk to you guys a little bit about getting preferred customer orders. Um, I, a huge percentage, I know last month I had a great month, and 93% of my orders were from customer orders and only very little from consultants. That's partly because I have no consultants under me, but not much was in my SV bucket except for what I'm putting in. Actually, I've never had a retail order. I have ordered a couple of things under a dummy account and then sold them to someone, but I've actually never had a retail order. And there's nothing wrong with retail orders. I just haven't found a reason to have someone order retail. So what I do is, and you can see I'm logged in here as a preferred customer. Anytime that I'm talking to people, I always give them the PC price. So if they ask me about the unblemished regimen is what I have pulled up here, I would just shoot them this $162 price. I never even talk at the beginning about retail versus PC price. I might even screenshot this logged in as a customer so that they can see the difference. And so, it says your price. So I'm assuming that's going to be their price. I just assume from the beginning that they will become a preferred customer. So that's kind of how I start it. And then if I'm on the phone with them and, taking their order or helping them with their order, I'll say something like, okay, so, you're going to order the unblemished regimen. And now I'll say, bear with me. I'm going to tell you something and you're going to think it's crap for a minute, or something to that effect. Be yourself. And I'll say, we're gonna sign you up as a preferred customer, which is a $19.95 fee this one time. I'm like, hold on, let me finish. Like, I really do that. And then I'll say, it saves you 10% on this order alone. All of those prices I've been giving you are at the preferred customer price, and it will get you free shipping. And the reason I gave you the preferred customer price is because I've done the math and I know that any order over $100 is well worth becoming a PC. The math is there. So let me show you some math real quick. Got to bring out my math teacher here. So just in case, and I'm not saying you guys don't understand percentages, but just a good example. So I said with the $10, or the $100 is worth it. So keep in mind that shipping, this is sloppy, is almost always $10. Sometimes I think I've even seen it a little bit more. So on a $100 order, to figure out easily 10%, remember you just swoop your decimal one place. So on a $100 order, they're saving $10 because that is 10%. Okay, so that is their discount. And then that coupled with the shipping is 20 bucks. So right there, $100 order, boom, they are even. All future orders, then you tell them about future orders and that they'll still have the free shipping and the 10% off. One more example real quick. Say they're ordering Lash Boost. So swoop that decimal one time. $15 is what they are saving off of retail. So that'd be the $135 plus $10 shipping. So they're coming out $5 ahead. So you just got to have a little bit of math in there, I feel like, to help them understand what they're looking at. And then as far as some people have concerns about auto ship. So I kind of do the same thing with that. I say it's going to set you up to encourage you to order again in 60 days, but you do not have to do that. And whether you're saying this in person or whether I actually type it out, I say, if you order today and then for some reason you decide not to order again for 8 months, no big deal. You're not paying that fee again. It's one time only. And in 8 months, you can decide to order again. Now, I don't know why you'd wait that long, yada, yada, what you say. But I assure them that they are not required to order. I also assure them that they will get an email from corporate 7 days prior to their order being shipped, and that I will also reach out to them sometime within that week to remind them. So just a little bit of customer service there helps them feel comfortable, I think. So hope that helps. Feel free to reach out to me and let me know if you have questions. Thanks. Have a good day.